Tired. What a week. What a crazy week. Um, so I'm going to share a little bit of behind the scenes footage as we build up the process to what we are doing on YouTube and just give you guys a bit of a sneak peek to what is happening. I must firstly jump out and say to everyone who is getting involved in this project that we appreciate every drop of support. To the brand partners that are getting involved, you guys are absolutely awesome. It is so nice to see so much encouragement to help build, train, and teach people more about sound and things involving audio. And I think we're going to change a lot of lives. It is really, really awesome to see. But today's video is slightly different. This is not going to be about any of the big guys, but about two people with really, really, really big hearts. I approached Johan and Natalie as Multimedia Music. That's the name of their business. I'm going to share a link or two in the description. And they are going to be the people that are going to be doing a lot of the video work. And not all of it is out of the passion of their own hearts, but for the most part it is. And it is very rare that you come across people who not only are talented artists and musicians, but they're really dedicated to making a success. And I cannot do this without people like them. So here is a sneak introduction or a small introduction to some of the behind the scenes footage as we try and familiar ourselves within the space and understand what we need to change and the things that we need to do in order to make this a big success. But here we go, meet the team and one or two people in between. Alrighty, folks, so Gareth again. Right now we are busy doing a little bit of a setup, look and feel, setting up some cameras. Meet Johan. Johan, how's it? What's happening?
I'm not showing any brands yet. It's not a brand.
Yeah.
Not sponsored by this brand or anything.
It's a very dark fluid. We don't know what it is.
But it tastes sweet.
Yeah. So he's... Johan, tell everyone who you are, please. Let's get people up to speed. What is going on?
I'm a lover of sound. I love sound. I love products. I love speaker building. I love YouTube. I follow the sound guy on YouTube, and I do videos. And I'm here to help. I'm the muscle. I'll carry the cameras around and the stands around. That's what I do. Yeah.
He's frisk. He's honestly got he's got that Afrikaans genetics. Then we have Natalie over here, who is the content expert.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, Natalie, tell us a little bit about yourself and what we're going to be doing today.
Well, my name is Natalie and I'm in this beautiful team. I'm in charge of all media, creativity and all the side of cameras and all of that part. That is really cool and making everything awesome.
So guys, what are people going to get out of these videos? I know what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing stuff that you want me to do, but ultimately we're going to be creating stuff really about speakers. Jan knows a couple of things, Natalie knows a couple of things, and I know a couple of things, and together, along with am.co.za, we're going to show you that achievement matters. Go out and go check their YouTube channel out. I'm going to leave a link in the description, and come and follow us, because it's going to be awesome. Okay. So I have to admit, I know Johan basically because he's a lover of sound and he came to us for some Paraflex cabinets. And Natalie's been around, but for the most part, I know her to be a very quiet, person that keeps to themselves. However, the moment that camera gear came out, boy oh boy, did I discover a new side to Natalie as a human being. And I realized I'm in trouble because to my eyes, for the most part, today was supposed to be pretty much just about trying to understand, are we going to have acoustic problems? Is the lighting okay? You call it an orientation day. I should have picked up when we were informed while we were on our way there that we need to buy some cloth and some a chamois to give everything a wipe. But I didn't catch the drift. And when that camera came out, Natalie, being this quiet little human being, suddenly took such authority, which definitely is not going to be portrayed in this video. But man, did she come out of her shell. She was so on point. Make sure everything is clean. Johan, do this. Johan smiles and off he goes because he knows this is Natalie's space. And sometimes us men kind of have to obey. So Natalie took control. She knew exactly what she wanted. And if this is just how things are with trying to familiarize ourselves in our space, well, I can only imagine what is in store for us as time goes on. So here we go.
It's full of dust from somebody's garage.
Last time we went
His garage on top? I don't know.
for this, we'll use some other stuff.
Yes. It's a cool thing.
I mean,
It's like a print thing.
No,
guys, I'm going to be honest with you. This is so overkill. The thing's brand new. But
Kill the fingerprints.
sorry, say that again.
Overkill the fingerprints.
Yeah, I wasn't ready for this.
I don't know what it is. Let's do it. It's cool.
So if it wasn't shiny before, Johan, I think in a past life he was a car polisher, something or other. I don't know what to say. So just some behind the scenes stuff. As you guys can see, this pretty much is a line array speaker. Very beautiful. Johan, you're an audio guy. You've done, what is it, backstage, backhands? Just tell me, what is the right term for the, the guy who knows everything and does everything? Stagehand. Roadie. Okay. Basically the people who do the actual work, right?
Rigging.
What do you think of this, Johan?
Very nice.
What is this, Johan? Do you know what this is? Of course you know what this is.
Line array top.
Yeah.
The line array brackets.
And I mean, your first take. What are you seeing
Good
here?
good quality, solid steel, good quality. I'm not gonna struggle with this.
I mean, this is normally like what 40,000-50,000 rand type of thing.
Yep.
So okay, I mean, I suppose we better do the proper thing. I don't know.
Yeah,
Okay,
absolutely.
so we'll catch you guys again and tell you a little bit more about this. Okay, so by now you are possibly wondering what on earth is that little line array doing in that video. It has no branding. I'm not going to tell you who it's from, but what I will say is that a brand has more than just stepped up to the plate. All the time, all the nice things go to the dealers and to the stores, and by the time it gets to you, it costs a lot more money than what it should. Because unfortunately, as businesses, we have overheads and we've got to pay for things. So what has happened? Well, in truth, a brand has not only stepped up to the table, I believe they've hit a home run. And when I said to you that there are going to be brands involved that are going to be changing lives, this is one of them. And it's absolutely insane how everyone is coming to the party. So Gareth, how do you get your hands on one of those? Well, you can't buy it from me, actually. You can't buy it from anyone. That's right. We're making something available that you cannot buy. But hold up. You will be able to buy it from someone, and that someone is going to be your local box builders. Yep. That means all of your favorite box builders and small businesses who are struggling Monday to Friday, trying to learn stuff about sound, but unfortunately don't have the resources, the materials, the access, the knowledge to be able to provide a good quality product to their customers. I'm talking to you, the box builder, the small business. We are going to be changing your lives forever. Not just on this product in particular. What's happening? Well, it's really quite simple. You as a small business are going to come for free lessons. We are going to be teaching you the importance about understanding what you're doing, because let's face it, right now, there are a lot of people with a lot of things to say on social media, and unfortunately, sometimes we have to draw the line. And this is one of the ways of drawing that line. Because people say that one product is bad and another product is good, but truth is those people aren't really qualified to really give that statement. And it's about time that as businesses and people, we start to learn about sound. Because most of the times when speakers fail, it unfortunately is the user. So how do we uplift the community? Well, you are going to have to come in and you are going to learn all about sound. And when I mean all, I mean everything. From how to choose a speaker and what those parameters mean, to doing CAD drawings and modeling your very first box. Everything that you will be doing will be to empower yourself as a human being. Beyond that, I'm going to be teaching you how to do electrical as well as acoustical measurements. This means that when we develop things like crossovers for that particular box, you are going to be able to understand that the product that goes in there is only matched for that cabinet and those drivers. And in turn, when we can empower you as the box builder and make a change in your life, we are asking you to make a change in the lives of people around you. It is very, very important to understand, guys. It's not always about money. And sometimes, though it is at our own risk, we are going to be making a limited number of these cabinets available to your local box builder. However, your local box builder is going to need to step up to the plate and raise their hand and say, I'm ready. I'm ready to learn. I'm ready to change. And I'm going to help the people in my community by gaining access to that product. They're not going to be allowed to overcharge you. In fact, I will make sure that that product gets removed out of that box builder. This is a community-driven idea, and this particular brand has stepped up to the table to make a difference in your lives in a very, very big way. But of course, we're not going to just stop there. We are going to be doing so many projects that is going to be changing young artists' lives, young producers. There are so many talented people out there that are struggling. And this is going to be one of the many ways that we are going to be making changes. And we're going to be sharing all on our YouTube channel. And I really hope that you come and join us. If you want to find out more or you want to get involved, well, you can simply contact me. But to the brand that stepped up for doing this, what an amazing work. I will tell you guys who they are as time moves along. But I cannot wait to share more content with you guys, because so many people are jumping in to make a difference in your life, and I hope that you see that.